Hello, boys and girls. So I figured out how to animate. I wanted to go over this with you. We talked about this in class. So, how do we animate our word? So, I put a background picture here. This is no different than what we discussed in class. In the free version, you are limited to only a couple different animations. For each layer, you have to pick a different type of style that you want. Right here, this is for the whole page. You can click like what happens to the whole page, and it previews what happens. Um, if you click right here, it'll show you a preview if you just put your mouse over it of what's going to happen. If you want none, then you just put none, and it doesn't show anything. You can just have a fade out. It shows you exactly what happens. What the problem was, which I found out, was that because I had a background layer, which we started the whole project with, we had to have one because we had to paste or type in a word. We had to click on something. And when you create a document, it naturally creates that background layer. You don't need it anymore once you import a picture. So because we had two backgrounds, technically, we had the picture, the clipboard, and then we had the background, then that caused an issue with playing the animation. So I wanted to show you what happens. If you don't have anything here, that's fine. You don't have to have the page. If you go here to layer, it separates each layer. So you can do one for the word silly. So I have it shrinking right now, or I can do fading out. I'll move this over so you can see. Growing, rising, vertical, horizontal. And then you have some down here that are not. So this is just how it comes in. So if you wanted to have anything like warp, it's kind of cool. Look at this one. So these are great for like little simple advertisements. If you click one of these, split, you got circular. I like that one. It tries to give you this stuff tries to make you pay for things for sure when you're doing all this. So anyway, so this is just how this starts. And then you go to the middle one here, which I chose in the middle section. So it's jiggling. So I thought that was silly. So that worked out well. And then I click this one here, and it shows that it's going vertical and disappearing. This one's rising. This one's growing. This is shrinking. So if I want it to shrink, then I can adjust under this one, the middle one. Under layer allows you to loop it. You can loop it how many times. This is how many times between repeats. This is the delay. If you want to delay, you can change your delay. If you don't even want a delay, you don't have to have one. And this is how long it should run. So if I hit play, this is the whole thing. And there you go. There's your animation. So how do we save that? We go into File, Save. And then we go, you can do a GIF for something as simple like that. I would just leave it. It should work. I'm just going to call it funny and save it. And it's working now. So the whole time that I could not figure out how to save it was because we had a double background. I'll make another video on exactly how to create an animation, but this is summing up what we talked about in class. And I hope this helps you, and I hope you can create some really cool looking animations, and maybe we could share them on Google Classroom. And see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.